I don't want you to fall. I don't want you to fall. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Put books in your backpack. Put books in your backpack. You are doing great. You are doing great. Stay still. Stay still. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Have you washed your face yet? Have you washed your face yet? Let me tuck you in. Let me tuck you in. Don't leave your clothes on the floor. Don't leave your clothes on the floor. Keep your room tidy. Keep your room tidy. You handled that job well. You handled that job well. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Take off your shoes inside. Take off your shoes inside. Don't sleep in. Don't sleep in. Keep quiet, please. Keep quiet, please. Come here with mommy. Come here with mommy. Do it. Do it. Can you share some to your sister? Can you share some to your sister? Mom, can I have more? Mom, can I have more? Don't tease your friends. Don't tease your friends. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't worry, mommy is here. Don't worry, mommy is here. Do you want a piggyback ride? Do you want a piggyback ride? That's it. No more candy for you. That's it. No more candy for you. You two make up. You two make up. Let daddy comb your hair. Let daddy comb your hair. What would you like for lunch? What would you like for lunch? Let's clean up together. Let's clean up together. Say goodbye to your teacher. Say goodbye to your teacher. Take a few more bites. Take a few more bites. Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? Homework first, then play. Homework first, then play. It's time to have dinner. It's time to have dinner. Please put your clothes away. Please put your clothes away. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Don't touch the stove, it's hot. Don't touch the stove, it's hot. Help me set the table, please. Help me set the table, please. Will we buy chocolate, Mom? Will we buy chocolate, Mom?